All right, so now you have this. So in order to remove this left controller, or maybe you have to do the right one, maybe it's kind of the same or similar. Move this overlapping rubber thing like this, and then you have access to the screw, and then you do the same thing, and you have the nut in the other side. So once you remove that, make sure that you don't lose the nut or the screw, and then you will have to remove this that you see here. And then after that, you have another plastic that you see here, and you have to lift this up with a screwdriver, and then this will come loose, and then you will have access to the three connectors that you have here. I'm going to show you later, and that's it. So if you can unplug it like that, great. If you cannot, you will have to remove this plastic. In order to remove the plastic, you grab this and take it out, and this is just snap in. There is no screws or anything like that. And then after that, here you have one screw here and the same screw in the other side here. So once you remove this and remove those screws, you're going to have like 2 or 3 screws here inside. Take them out, and then you're going to be able to remove this up, this down, and you're going to have more space. And after that, I'm going to show you a few more videos so that way you can see how everything is done. Right, so if you want to install this, you have the screw that goes here and goes in the other side. So basically, once you have this like that, all you have to do is just pull this like this, and then you can run the screw through this hole that you see here, and it will stay in place. All right, so before you connect anything, so you have to twist the grip like you see here. So here you have the horn, and then you hook up the first wire, not the connector, that is for the heating grips, and then after that you connect the other one. So it has only one way to connect them, so you're not going to be able to put it in the other way. Once you do that, and then you can put the screw back the way it was. All right, once everything is in place, now you can twist it back the way it was, put the screw back in, and that's it. All right, later you have to put the plastic back the way it was, put the screws here, there, they should be firm and tight. Now we can put the other one on top, we should be good.